The fact that our heart yearns for something earth can't supply is proof that heaven must be our home.
I go on walks. I feel Jesus, I feel the Holy Spirit. I hear God. Sometimes I need to break myself down. Sometimes I need to reconnect. Sometimes I need to get away. It's where I hear the Holy Spirit the most when I'm on my walks. I love the trees, I love the leaves, I love the nature, I love the little animals that run around, I love the bees buzzing. I love seeing the community around here too. It's beautiful.
Like and subscribe.